Financial freedom is something that many of us aspire to, but it can often feel out of reach. The good news is that with a little bit of planning and discipline, anyone can work towards achieving it. In this video, we will go over a simple step-by-step plan that will help you get there. Step 1. Track your money. This may seem like a basic step, but it is crucial to your financial success. By tracking your expenses and income, you can get a clear understanding of where your money is going and identify areas where you may be overspending. This can be done through the use of budgeting software or simply by keeping a detailed record of your spending. Make sure to categorize your expenses and evaluate how much you are spending in each category. This will help you identify any areas where you can make adjustments and save more money. Step 2. Lower your expenses. Once you have a good understanding of your spending habits, it's time to start looking for ways to cut back. This could involve things like canceling subscriptions you don't use, cooking at home more often, and cutting back on unnecessary purchases. Every little bit counts, so be sure to look for any opportunity to lower your expenses. Step 3. Increase your income. In addition to cutting back on expenses, increasing your income is another key factor in achieving financial freedom. This could involve taking on additional work or negotiating a raise in your current job. It could also mean starting a side hustle or exploring new income streams. Whatever the case may be, bringing in more money will help you reach your financial goals more quickly. Step 4. Become cash flow positive on a monthly basis. Becoming cash flow positive means that your total monthly income is greater than your expenses. When you reach this point, you are considered financially independent. This is a crucial step towards achieving financial freedom, as it means that you no longer have to rely on anyone to cover your expenses. To achieve cash flow positive status, it may be necessary to increase your income, lower your expenses, or both. If you have any high interest debt, this is the stage where you would work towards paying it off. Step 5. Earn income from your investments. The final step towards financial freedom is earning income from your investments. This could include things like dividend payments from stocks, rental income from real estate, or income from a small business. By diversifying your investments and earning passive income from them, you can have the freedom to live the life you want. It's at this stage when your passive income can cover all of your living expenses that you've achieved financial freedom. Achieving financial freedom is a journey that requires dedication and discipline. By following these 5 steps, you can take control of your finances and work towards a secure financial future. It won't be easy, but with a clear plan in place and the determination to see it through, you can achieve your goals and live a financially secure life.